are some Zinnia seeds that I've taken off of this dried flour, and it's pretty easy to get off. You just pull, and there's your seeds. So much like marigolds, it's really easy to get a ton of seed off of just one flower. And I've got several flowers out there that once they dry out, I can get the seeds off of. So that's really cool. And here's how it looks close up. And so you can see that all of these are seeds. See them? You just pluck them off. And you have seeds. So we did another thing. Very cool. Whether they'll germinate or not, I have no idea. But it's free for me to try. Doesn't hurt. Alright, that was just a quick little tip on saving zinnia seeds. I showed earlier that I harvested the zinnia seeds. Now I could just take a regular lunch bag and save them in that. Or, off of Amazon, I got this big box of, these are little, just like 1,000 little baggies in here. I got it off of Amazon. There's a ton in here. I think there's 1,000 of them. Little baggies for saving seeds. It was really inexpensive. I think it was like $6 or something. It was very cheap, and I can save all the seeds that I save off of my plants. That's just a quick tip, something to think about. I know when I started saving seeds off of my plants, I was like, well, where am I going to put them? Well, I've got plenty of options. If I don't feel like wasting a large size lunch bag, I've got all these little bags to save my seeds. All right, just a quick tip. Thanks for watching.